Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're talking about relationships and social life, friendships, family, and the connections that shape who we are. This vocabulary helps you talk about the people in your life with depth and nuance. Let's start with different types of relationships. An acquaintance is someone you know slightly, perhaps from work or the neighborhood, but not well. A friend is someone closer, someone you choose to spend time with. A close friend or best friend is someone you trust deeply and share everything with. And a colleague is someone you work with, though colleagues can also become friends. Friendships change over time. We often say we go way back with old friends, meaning we've known them for a very long time. We might lose touch, stop having regular contact, especially after moving or changing jobs. And sometimes we reconnect, pick up a friendship again, perhaps through social media. Family relationships have their own vocabulary. Immediate family means parents, siblings, and children. Extended family includes grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins. In-laws are relatives through marriage. Step relations come through remarriage. Conflicts happen in all relationships. A falling out is a serious argument that damages a friendship. After a falling out, people might make up, repair the relationship, by apologizing or clearing the air, having an honest conversation to resolve tension. A support network is the group of people you rely on for emotional support, practical help, and encouragement. You might say, "My support network is small but incredibly strong. I know exactly who I can call if things get tough." Today, we covered types of relationships, friendship stages, family vocabulary, conflict and resolution, and support networks. Relationships are complex and rich in language. See you next time.